And right down here, we've seen on the radar, they were dropping the military chaff, the military grade aerosols that are being deployed down here. See if I can get a good layer to see if we can pull them out. I mean, you see they're just tons of aerosols being deployed. And then there's a big, thick liner, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We got this major fat liner going all the way down almost to Jackson, Mississippi. Now, I want everybody to pay attention when these tornadoes fire up and see if they run in this very path. I have a sneaky suspicion there's something going on with this one super thick aerosol. And we'll see if this has any playing with the tornadoes, because they are going to fabricate some tornadoes. And I don't know if anybody got in on that wind field that come through Missouri today. It's pretty crazy. All these storms are going to be wind events. You know, and I've talked about this for months, man. They're bringing the moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. They're bunker fueling up here. They're pulling, they're ice nucleating here in the mountains. And they're actually trying to create like a springtime event. The atmospheric river has not changed since the summer. So the same areas that got flooded are going to be getting hit with storm after storm after storm till they modify the atmospheric river again. Look, we already have more spraying operations way down here in the Gulf of Mexico. And these are all for the next systems. You know, all the aerosols now are being deployed over Georgia, South Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky. These are all the path of the storms, and it's going to go all the way up into Canada, all the way up into Ontario. After this big monster that we're going to be getting over the weekend. If you missed the 16-day forecast, we were all on this. It's all hostile. It's hostile on us. It's killing all the plants. It's killing the bees, all that stuff. They do it with HARP. They do it with building dams. Every time they shoot a rocket up, it puts a hole in the ozone.